In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watcher to a task in Clickup. Understanding how to manage notifications effectively is crucial for smooth communication and ensuring everyone on your team is up to date with the latest changes and updates. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open the specific task where you want to add watchers. Now, tasks in Clickup can be part of various projects or workspaces, so make sure you navigate to the correct one. Once you've found your task in the task list or board view, click to open its detailed view. This will take you to the main area where you can edit and view the full details of the task. Once you're inside the task details, your next focus should be on locating the Watchers section. This is pivotal as it allows you to manage who gets notified about updates to this task. Look towards the upper right corner of the task detail view. Here you should spot a little bell icon. This bell is symbolic of the notification and watcher settings in Clickup, so that's the one you need to click. Now, after you click the bell icon, a panel will appear. This panel is dedicated to managing who is watching the task. It allows you to control who receives updates and notifications every time this task is modified, commented on, or completed. Within this panel, you have the ability to search for and select the team members or entire teams you want to add as watchers. If you're working in a larger organization with many members, the search function will be invaluable for quickly narrowing down to the right person or group. With the list in front of you, scroll or search for the individuals or teams you wish to add as watchers. Simply click on their names to select them. What's really convenient about this feature in Clickup is that there's no additional save action required. The platform seamlessly saves your selections in real time. Once you've selected the appropriate individuals or teams, you can close the panel. The selected individuals are now added as watchers, and they'll begin receiving notifications based on their personal notification settings. This means they'll be in the loop for any changes or discussions surrounding the task without you needing to manually update them each time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll easily add watchers to your tasks, enhancing collaboration and ensuring everyone stays informed. This subtle yet powerful feature is an excellent way to keep your projects running smoothly while supporting your team's communication efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more ways Clickup can streamline your workflow. Happy managing!